It has been said that sometimes it is better to be a guest than a host, or better to retreat a foot than to advance an inch. This is the subtle way of advancing without pushing forward. It is giving the attacker no opposition while you observe his actions and deeper motivation. There is no greater misfortune than underestimating an opponent. One can also underestimate by thinking ill of someone who has an opposite point of view. Thinking ill can destroy the three treasures of compassion, moderation, and humility, and thus one will become his own worst enemy. When two equal forces oppose each other, sometimes the advantage goes to the one who appears to yield. The teachings of the way are easy to understand and simple to practice. And yet most people, especially intellects, find it hard to grasp and difficult to practice. The teachings of the way come from ancient beginnings, and the deeds come from a disciplined mastery. However, since most people do not know the way, they often do not recognize or treasure those who practice it. Thus, evolved ones often hold what is truly valuable close to their heart, underneath the cloak of simplicity. At times, their obscurity can be valuable.